Hello friends, I am Dr. Pratishtha Nagne, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya, Karjat, welcoming you in another video lecture under the affiliation of Savitribai Phule Pune University, new course 2019 CBSE pattern of FYBSE Semester 1, Paper 1, that is BO111, Plant Life and Utilization, Credit 1, Topic 2, that is Algae, Part 5. Under the topic Algae, today we are dealing with the utilization of algae. Utilization of algae shows the characteristic features such as algae are aquatic, especially they are found in marine water forms. They are primary producers due to the presence of green pigment in them of aquatic ecosystem. As they are containing the chloroplast, they are photosynthetic in nature, and due to that they are also called as natural food source for fishes as well as a humankind. They are useful in agriculture to increase the productivity from the land. Variety of algae are utilized for the more production or productivity, and so they are useful in agriculture. They are found useful in variety of industries such as textile, pharmaceutical, medicines, etc. And majority of algae, due to presence of oil in them, they are utilized for biodiesel productions. So we focus on one by one. Utilization of algae in biofuel industry. Okay, so here the algae containing the organic matters from phytoplanktons and marine animals. The organic matters from phytoplanktons and marine animals accumulated in the shallow waters of ocean floor. The organic matter converted into the oil and gas. Some algal members are used as an indicator for searching oil sources. Algae with high oil content, productivity and desired for producing biodiesel. For example, Botryococcus has the oil content capacity is near about 25 to 75%, while the Chlorella has the oil content capacity that is near about 28 to 30%, and Nischia containing 45 to 47% of oil content on dry weight basis. Next, utilization of algae in agriculture. Rice crop yield increases when inoculated with nitrogen fixing members of algae known as blue-green alga. Commonly we can also call them as a cyanobacteria. For example, Anabaena oryzae, Tolipothrix confervicola and Nostoc. These blue-green alga or cyanobacteria or BGA have ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogen compound which are easily absorbed by higher plants. By this action, the nitrogen fixation by blue-green alga, thus they fertilize the soil or they increases the fertility of soil. This increase up to the 25 to 30%, and some algae are used as biofertilizer. Biological agent used as a fertilizers are called as biofertilizers, and many blue-green alga, that is BGA, cyanobacteria, are capable of converting clay soil into the cultivable land. Okay, in which the examples are Anabaena oryzae, Tolipothrix confervicola and Nostoc commune. We will have to remember these Algae, which increases the fertility of soil and ultimately utilized in agriculture to increase the fertility of soil. Utilization of alga in pharmaceuticals. Fucoidine and sodium laminarin sulfate acts as an anti-blood coagulant. Utilization of alga in pharmaceuticals. Fucoidine and sodium laminarin sulfate, they are acts as a blood coagulant. From chlorella, an antibiotic called as chlorelin obtained from chlorella used against coliforms and other related intestinal tract bacteria. Agar-agar is also used medicinally to prevent constipation. Algae like Nightella causes death of mosquitoes in ponds. Hence, it is used as a biocontrol agent, or it is also used in control of malaria. Cyanobacteria and many marine algae have novel bioactive compounds with wide pharmaceutical applications. Marine cyanobacteria are having antibacterial, antifungal and immunomodulatory activities. For example, marine Oscillatoria species shows anti-candida activity, that is, it contains antifungal activity. The products of spirulina can be converted into the prostaglandins that lowers action of blood pressure. It improves the function of smooth muscles also. Next, utilization of algae as food. Algae have been utilized as food in countries like Ireland, Sweden, Scotland, North and South America, France, Germany, China and Japan for their nutritional values. They containing large amount as they are primary producers. As our earth, it is full of 70% that is water, so marine algae are mostly useful in them. And single cell protein, which consists of all amino acids, vitamin A, C, riboflavin, thiamine, niacin, pyridoxine, folic acid, pantothenic acid and Ulva lactuca, commonly called as sea lettuce, which is used as a vegetable and commonly used in salads. The Chlorella racemosa, most cultivated for the food in country like Philippines. Kombu, it is a Japanese food prepared from algae named as Laminaria. Glaciolaria and Gelidium. This is Glaciolaria and Gelidium. Both are from red alga, that is Rhodophycean members. They are producers of agar-agar, jelly-like substance employed in manufacture of ice creams, commonly called as grass. It is used as a food supplement. Record of its excellent food nutrients composition and Laminaria, Glaciolaria and Gelidium. This is Glaciolaria and Gelidium. Both are from red alga, that is Rhodophycean. Ulva lactuca, commonly called as sea lettuce. It is used as vegetable as well as common food in salads. Chlorella racemosa, most cultivated for the food in country like Philippines. Kombu, it is a Japanese food prepared from algae named as Laminaria. Glaciolaria and Gelidium, both are found in marine red alga, that is Rhodophycean algae, used for producers of agar-agar powder, which is a jelly-like substance employed in manufacturing of ice creams, and the name of it is China grass. Spirulina is used as a food supplement as it containing the excellent food nutrients composition and digestibility. They has a high protein content near about 67 to 70%, 20% of carbohydrate, 5% lipid, 7% minerals and 6% moisture. It is a rich source of beta carotene also and in riboflavin and vitamin 12. It is available in the market in the form of tablets, powder as well as capsule. Next point, that is utilization of algae as feed. Algae as model algae Rhodomania palmate, Alaria esculenta, Laminaria saccharin used as a feed to sheep and cattle. Sargassum. Sargassum, it is a brown colored alga which is marine alga, enlarged macroalga. Sargassum and Microcystis, both are macroalga, are used as a feed for domestic animals and in fish culture ponds too. Seaweed mill industries operating in United States, Macrocystis. This is a Microcystis alga, Laminaria and Sargassum providing supplementary feed for poultry and cattle. Next point is utilization of alga in industries. Agar-agar industry. The term another utilization of alga in industries. Agar-agar industry. The term agar-agar is from Malay origin that means jelly. The jelly obtained by boiling of seaweeds and cooling the liquid. It is solid at normal temperature but becomes liquid at 95 degrees Celsius. The transparent substance obtained from the red alga, that is Gelidium nudiformis, Gelidium pusillum and Glacilaria verrucos and Glacilaria lichenoides. Agar is used for preparation of culture media for bacteria, fungi and for the plant tissue culture. Alginic acid industry. Algin is a gelatinous substance, has water absorbing properties obtained from brown alga, that is Laminaria, Macrocystis, Fucus and Sargassum. It is useful in thickening, stabilizing, emulsifier and gel forming agent used in preparation of. Next is utilization of alga in industries. Carrageenan industry. Carrageenan is a metabolic product similar to that of agar-agar gel. It is obtained from Gigartina stellata, Chondrus crispus and Iridana laminoroides. Used in textile and paper industries, it is formed by the death and decay of diatoms, the largest deposit of the atomic earth found in Santa Maria oil field in California. This has been used in insulation of boilers, blast furnaces, abrasive in toothpaste and metal polishes. Algae used in space research. According to Knott M.W. 1998, plant photosynthesis is an According to Knott M.W. in 1898, plant photosynthesis is an ingredient and indispensable component in biogenerators. Life support system during long space missions. Chlorella purinoidosa and Synchrococcus acts as a possible food as a source of food in space flights. Here we completed the utilization of algae. Algae are the photosynthetic, mostly aquatic organisms found in larger quantity as the sea water content onto the earth, it is near about 70%, and majority of water, that is 97% of water, it is marine water. And so the majority of algae which are primary producers found in this type of water bodies, and due to that larger amount of producers called as primary producers are algae found in the marine water system. And utilization of these algae in various categories are studied in this topic. Here we completed the topic second, that is algae. Thank you. Thank you very much.